Hi all, and welcome to our second session today on day traders goals, which we already decided early on that are profitability, and very important, maybe even important, the profitability is repeatability, because if there is no repeatability, there is no business. So the business of the day trader is to create trades, two trades per day, 25 trades per day. Obviously the real number is anywhere in between, maybe between 5 and 12. I mean, I'm not going to dictate what everybody feels comfortable with, as long as you are profitable and comfortable and doing what you feel, because it's a job. If you sit here 4 hours, I don't think many people are sitting here 4 hours taking two trades, unless they are super professional and taking the right trades. There's always the right trade. The question is, can you focus out of thousands of trades only on the right trades? So if you have only two trades per day, you make one mistake, that's obviously game over. You're not going to make a lot of money, if any. But that's definitely on the fringe. Most of us will trade 6, 7. If we trade the full day, maybe more. But this is not the topic. The topic is profitability, repeatability, and let's go back to our sample of 8 stocks that I picked at 9:30 and analyze them. Let's start with GameStop, down a lot. Then this happened in the morning, and after 11 o'clock it was game over for GameStop, and it took a dive, and it hasn't recovered since. So gap down, 12 minutes to the upside, then a pullback, and then it's sitting under the VWAP, and now it's I don't know, maybe it will reverse at one point, at some point, because GameStop is capable of anything. But the price action now is, you can see, trades 1 cent at a time. Okay, that's GameStop. So that's a V for short sellers. Now let's go to our big winner today in terms of price action. That's the morning session in Oracle, and it hasn't stopped since. So Oracle, by far, 10% movement from 190 to 200, at one point over 202. No doubt, by far the best play today, out of earnings. So it signaled strength. Investors piled into it in the morning session. You can see the volumes in the morning. Yeah, that's a once in a week, maybe once in a month type of trade. So that's why day traders need to focus on earnings and more earnings, and if you're lucky, this happens. And of course, you are prepared. You need to be prepared. Then it's Robinhood that I advised everybody to watch. Not a pretty sight. Although there's always something going on in Robinhood. You can see this great support level here, under 27.30 or 25. Again, I mean, looking at the stock that delivers way better trades, let's call it off. Nothing interesting. AAOI was a long play on a gap up, then turned around, and again the VWAP took it down. So the trend is lower, other than the morning session. I don't know if this stock is shortable, but I won't consider it a potential great trade, unless you are really focusing on it. You are focusing on it. And let's go to the wildest play today. Take a look at this VOYG breakout from 60 to 64, back to 60, and down now $7. I mean, is it crazy or what? So a big winner turning into a big loser. That stock was very spready. Anybody that paid attention to this move here, it took 1, 2, 3, 6 minutes for the stock to move $4, maybe 8 minutes, and it was gone. So most of the profits gone in 10 minutes. Then he tried again, but now impossible. And let's go to VSCO, which I replaced instead of QBT. I forgot the symbol. QUBT, which trended lower all day. And this one, for whatever reason, got a beautiful channel that could have been observed, but who's watching Victoria's Secrets? And then an upside channel, and then another channel. I would say a tough trade unless you piled in here at this area in the morning session. So, okay, what's not okay is the horrible price action in Boeing, no can do, and Tesla moving sideways. I thought there were a couple of spikes, but overall it's pretty much where it started. So let's sum things up. One $10 trade, one beautiful short play, another short play, and another long play, then a short play. So let's call it 3 out of 8 were potential money makers. How many were losing trades out of the rest of the market, or the rest of the trades posted here? Boeing, very tough to make money out of it. The same goes for Tesla. AAOI, I will ignore it because it started with a huge gap up, then turned around. It was tradable technically, but I don't think it's shortable. And VOYG, I mean the 60 long play was a great idea for those who were watching it. Round number, very strong stock, and now it's so the short play, I think it's uncalled for. Whatever. So let's put it this way: two trades absolutely perfect. GameStop, which had a sell signal, and and Oracle, which had a monster buy signal. The rest of the stocks are debatable whether they were long, shorts, good, possible to trade or impossible to trade. Having said that, I think those who focused on Oracle are already having a great day, not a mediocre day. That's a $10 winner. There was no reason to get into any big loser looking at the rest of the stocks that we were watching here, although potentially there are losers there, but nothing compared to a 10% winner. From 190 to, sorry, that's a 5% winner. 190 to 200. Yeah, it's a 5. Sorry, my mistake. It's a 5% winner, not a 10% winner, but a $10 winner. So that's also a good thing. Let's watch in the 4 or 5 minutes that we have left here in this video at additional trades that we can maybe look for into the last 2 hours. Plenty of now, not plenty, but some double-digit movers here, SDGR, and Love, and well, GameStop is okay. Let's take a look at URGN on the long side, and let me find another one. That's Jenny. Okay, Jenny, it's a small cap, and URGN. Let's take a look at both. So Jenny, GENI. Is there a trade there? A $10 stock, but the only trade that I see is a potential breakout, so no. And URGN up 60%. Okay, that's obviously now, and now happened, or some news coming in, so sounds like a biotech company, or looks like a biotech company. Okay, let's cool off from this one and look at Cardinal Health, CAH. Wow, bull flag formation at the highs of the day. Wow, beautiful pattern in CAH. Beautiful, beautiful pattern. A breakout of 158. Sorry, 159. Very extended, but a beautiful intraday price action. All one-sided. You can see it's algo driven. Perfect. I'm not suggesting buying. Maybe it's an adding place, but buying as the first entry, definitely not. So those are two longs. If we want to look at a short here, let's take a look at SDGR. SDGR, back at the VWAP. Looks tempting for a potential short under, which is also the round number. The risk will be, as you can see right now, 20 something cents. Okay, and let's take a look maybe at another one. Shopify, Gap, ALP. No, let's look at an aggressive one. Okay, OXM. Don't remember what this stock stands for, but OXM. Oh, let's see the volume first. Yeah, a bit spready. Volumes are low in OXM. Not great. Okay, so okay, VSCO. I think we talked about VSCO. Yeah, we talked about it. CRT, OPFI. Okay, let's go with love. No love for love. That's, I think, something that has to do with social media. Terrible day. So love started the day at 20.50, dropped $3. Looks like a short. I mean, the perfect trade will be love from the view up down using using 18 as a potential stop loss. So I would watch for that, for this move to the view up, which is the clear resistance. The stock has been under the view up all day. Yeah, I think we kind of covered it enough. 12 minutes this video, going on 13. Please share this video with your traders, trading friends, and also like it if you like it. And if not, we'll see you tomorrow with a new video, and we'll try to cover some more, 2 more videos on this particular subject tomorrow at the open and later on in the day. Thanks a lot, guys, and see you in our next video.